Problem identification is the crucial first step in the problem-solving process, as it sets the foundation for how the issue will be addressed and resolved. Defining the problem clearly is essential because if the problem is misunderstood or misidentified, any solutions that follow will likely be ineffective or misplaced. Properly defining a problem requires a thorough understanding of the situation, which involves gathering information and asking the right questions to get to the heart of the issue. This step helps clarify not only what the problem is, but also why it matters and who is affected by it. To define a problem clearly, it is necessary to look beyond the symptoms and identify the underlying cause. Without addressing the root cause, efforts to resolve the issue may result in only temporary or superficial fixes. Asking the right questions is key to uncovering the root cause of a problem. This involves probing deeper into the issue, rather than accepting initial observations at face value. Questions such as what is happening, and why is this happening, help to peel away layers of the problem, revealing its true nature. Often, what appears to be the problem is only a symptom of a larger, more complex issue. For instance, a decline in product sales might initially seem like a marketing problem, but upon further investigation, it may be discovered that the real issue lies in product quality or customer satisfaction. By systematically questioning the situation, individuals or teams can avoid making assumptions and ensure they are tackling the real issue. When dealing with complex problems, breaking them down into more manageable parts is an effective approach. This technique, known as problem decomposition, allows a larger, multifaceted problem to be divided into smaller, simpler components. By addressing each component separately, it becomes easier to analyze and understand the different factors contributing to the overall problem. This method also helps to identify which parts of the problem are most critical and where efforts should be focused first. Problem decomposition is particularly useful for addressing issues in systems or processes, where many interconnected elements may be contributing to the difficulty. Visual tools such as diagrams can also aid in mapping out and understanding complex problems. One common technique is the fishbone diagram, also known as the cause and effect diagram. This tool helps to visually display the various causes that contribute to a problem, branching out like the bones of a fish. By categorizing potential causes into different areas such as people, processes, and equipment, it becomes easier to see how various factors are linked to the issue. Similarly, flowcharts can be used to map out the steps of a process and identify where problems are occurring. These diagrams provide a clear, visual representation of the problem, making it easier to identify patterns, bottlenecks, or gaps that may not be immediately apparent through written descriptions or verbal discussions. Overall, problem identification is about clearly defining and understanding the issue at hand. Through careful questioning, breaking down complexities, and using visual tools to map out the problem, individuals or teams can uncover the root cause and lay the groundwork for finding effective solutions. Proper identification ensures that subsequent problem-solving efforts are focused, informed, and ultimately successful.